What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Flex, Rocks, and Rollovers.
See the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
Today is officially day one of the 2019 Trail to SEMA. I left Green Country Off-Road in Oklahoma last night at around 8 o'clock. We had to bleed brakes and do a few other tune-ups just to get the Jeepster 100% perfect for the trip. Now I just passed Amarillo, Texas, and yeah, I'm headed towards Phoenix, Arizona. That's where we're gonna meet up with everybody. We have a group of epic people going on this trip. I really can't wait. This is like a big old family reunion almost. We're gonna hit so many cool trails and we'll be with the best people ever. Jeepster McJeepFace is all fresh and clean on the back of the trailer. This is officially the start of the 2019 Trail to SEMA. Alright guys, we made it. We are at our hotel here near Phoenix, Gilbert, Arizona, I think is where we're at. Jeepster's on the trailer. We're gonna unload because tomorrow we're gonna drive around town, meet a couple people, and then tomorrow's like sticker day and all kinds of other stuff. So unloading is now, and then let's see if we can grab some dinner somewhere. I'm starving. What's going on, guys? You see a couple of rigs down there already getting unloaded and prepared for the trails today. So, you ready to do this?
No.
No?
Mm-mm.
No. Too early.
You know I don't do early. This is weird, but look at that. I mean, look at the mountains. It's beautiful.
We're gonna have some breakfast here in a second, and then I think a 30-minute ride on to our very first trail of this trip. So yeah, see you guys later. Good morning.
What's happening? Good morning.
Right in your face.
Right in your face.
Alright guys, so here we are out on the parking lot getting ready for the first day of Trail to SEMA. First trail day. Yeah, we're probably gonna have a quick driver's meeting here in a second. Get all together, discuss where we're going. If they tell us, I'm not sure. Apparently the trail is about 30 minutes away from where we're at here. So yeah, we're waking up, getting some coffees, packing up the Jeeps, and then we're gonna hit the trail in a second. Ready to party? Whoop whoop! Another trip to paradise?
Another trip to paradise. Not hell and back, paradise.
Let's get this started right now.
I am so ready. We've been on the road for days, ready to get in the Jeep and start effing wheeling.
You're welcome, Flex Rocks Rollovers.
Day one, trail one.
I know where we're going.
Tell me.
We are running Highway to Hell today. Shh, nobody knows that. Do you want to know?
Yeah, I want to know.
We're going to Highway to Hell.
Are we? Heck yeah.
Georges, what are we doing today, buddy?
We're going wheeling.
Dude, I'm about to run inside and go get a bagel and then start like trying to interview everyone, but use a bagel instead of a cell phone. Like I'm doing videos. Like I was like hoping like find a potato or something. That's what I'm saying. Like I couldn't do that. Like, oh, taking a it's epic. Oh, dude, what's up, Andrew?
I'm excited. It's gonna be a pretty good day of wheeling.
I hope so. Let's get this thing dirty.
We will, bro. We will. We're near Woodpecker Trail.
We're near Woodpecker Trail. All right, that's where we're at. Trail fail number 1. Put diesel in the Jeepster. I didn't know that the international sign for diesel was a yellow can. So where I'm from, it's green and not yellow. So we had to learn that the hard way. Thanks again, Matt. Sorry for that failure. I will refuel you here in a little bit. All right?
So now the problem is you've got what, 3 5-gallon jugs full of garbage fuel?
Yep.
And we are near the Woodpecker Trail. Let's tee it off. Tell us all about this trail.
Actually, the Woodpecker Trail is a pretty simple trail. There's some obstacles left and right that we'll be able to get into if we want to. There's to make it as hard as you want. And then we're going to lead into Highway to Hell. That's going to be the fun one for you guys.
I'm looking forward to watching you break.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna hit trails like that.
Yeah. No, I don't think we're out doing
I want to, man.
Dude, we do the same thing for 24 Hell and back. We gotta weed out the weaklings, man.
That's right.
Some moderate trails. Let's see what happens.
That little feel a little tippy for a second.
Oh yeah, it's, you know they put 600 pounds of tools in my trunk.
How did that extra wheelbase help you?
I loved it.
Yeah?
So much better, much more stable.
So much more stable,
Yeah.
I guarantee you.
But it's not too long, so it made the obstacle to where I still was able to maneuver, and it's definitely much, much better than it was.
Cool. Is that, no, you wheeled it before, right? With the
Yeah, just 2 quick trips local to home and then loaded on the trailer and came here. Yeah,
Okay.
basically enough to loosen the bolts and retighten them.
Okay. Well, I haven't even gotten to that point yet.
Yeah.
So we are on Highway to Hell. First obstacle right into the trail. Seems to be fun. We're getting in all kinds of fun. So the first obstacle is a huge V-notch. The second one is like a little gatekeeper thing that catches you on both sides. And then the third one
Probably the same way Ian
is
going to be the easiest way up.
I was worried that I was pinching my tire. That's why I
right
stopped,
here, and
but
Ian just completely smashed his side into that
Did I?
side. There we go.
Yeah. There we go. Woo! That's what I kept telling you. Every time. You had it. Like every time you put it in reverse. That's what I just said.
driving, dude.
First day. Got some swag bags to give you guys. We're excited to just be a part of this event, so we wanted to say thank you to you guys for letting us tag along. We've got some lights that we're gonna have you build. Hopefully you take them with you, install them on your Jeeps, your crawlers, and hopefully they help you get through some of these night runs that you got going on. Build it, you can take it with you. We got harnesses, brackets, hardware, everything you need, so let's get started.
Lights, of course, and teaching everyone how to make their own lights, and then all that kind of fun stuff. So thanks, guys.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for coming. Thanks to everybody for coming.
All right, so day one Trail to SEMA is officially done. Woo! Woo!
That was it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for Trail to SEMA Part 2 coming out very, very soon. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, and I see you guys next time.